This is Rhys Michael's first video. This is his logging truck, his wood chipper trailer with the truck, and his bucket truck with the chainsaw dude. All these vehicles except for the green truck were scratch built by my 4-year-old who is obsessed with Lego trucks and diggers and construction vehicles. This is a forest I made, and Rhys Michael is going to dismantle it with his chainsaw guy that he has to drive back over to the forest. Making sounds. Beep.
Beep, beep, beep. Dynamite guy, I'm cutting up this.
You're gonna cut up that log? Alright. And then put it in the chipper. Put it in the chipper. And then it goes, then it's gone. Okay, are you gonna use your chainsaw to cut down another tree? Make a sound. Good job, axe man, dude. You gonna chop down some more trees?
Oh yeah, I forgot that. I'm supposed to get it out, and the guy cuts the tree down, so I have to put it back up.
Oh, okay. Good job, logging dude. Haul it away, good job. Next tree. Come on, man, we need something to chip.
Okay. He's going in the forest and to the other side.
Good job, dude.